What brings you in to see us today?
Well, I'm getting ready to go on a road trip pretty soon, so I just want to do like routine maintenance and stuff like that.
If you don't mind, I'm just gonna have you step out real quick. I'm just gonna get some information. I'm gonna get the VIN number, get the miles off of the odometer there. I'm also, if you don't mind, we're gonna do a quick complimentary walk around of the vehicle.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna go ahead and scan your VIN real quick here, right here off this pillar here. Perfect, I got that VIN for you. So I see you got 119,000 miles. That's awesome. If you don't mind, I'm also gonna pop open the hood here. We're just gonna do a quick little inspection of the hood, check fluids, all that kind of stuff, check the battery. I'm gonna turn your steering wheel all the way to the right here so we get a good look at those tires. All right, I'm just gonna check the tread on them here, see what we're looking at here.
Okay.
Perfect, so we got 10s here. I do see, we do have a little bit of uneven wear here, so I will get some, we'll look at some tire prices options there. I see they're 2024, so great tires, look awesome. I'm gonna pop open the hood here. All right. Washer fluid looks a little low. We'll top that off for you, complimentary there. No charge there. That coolant looks good. So looking here, I don't see any leaks or anything like that. Everything looks great on your engine here. We're gonna come over here to your battery. Battery looks in great condition. I don't see any corrosion or anything like that. So we're good. They're gonna go ahead and check everything while they got it back there. Filter right here, they're gonna check, see if it needs replaced or anything like that, and we'll put all that quote together for you.
Okay, thank you, DJ.
Yes, sir. You have any problems with your wipers?
My wife said they're a little streaky sometimes. Yeah, I've noticed it too.
Yeah, I do see a little tear here, so would you, if you don't mind, I will put your quote together for those and we can go ahead and get those replaced for you today if you'd like. No charge there for that quote.
Awesome, thank you.
All right, we're gonna come over here to this passenger tire here. Check that tread here. Perfect. So I do see those are at 2/32. About that time is when we're gonna start recommending those new tires for you. So once again, I will put that quote together for you and we'll see what we can do to get you some new tires fixed up today before you get on that road trip. Make sure you're good and safe because it is a little bit of a long drive. So we do need to make sure you're safe. I don't see any dings, dents here. It all looks perfect. I don't see really any brake dust or anything like that, which is great. I'm gonna go ahead and record down here the DOT code for you, if you don't mind. All right, perfect. Again, we're gonna come around here to this back tire. We're just gonna look over here. It looks great. I don't see any dents, scratches, which is awesome. Yeah. Looks to be in great condition. I'm just gonna do the same thing here, record that tread and look at that code again. Perfect. And that code, it does show to be from 2015, so it is past that 7-year mark. Yes, sir, where we start again recommending these tires. Okay. So I will get you a quote on some more of these Coopers. Yeah. Unless there's something else you want, we do have plenty of different options we can put together for you.
Fantastic.
Yes, sir. If you don't mind, we'll just continue coming around here. I do see a dent and a couple scratches here.
Yeah, it's got a few. I got this recently.
Awesome. Well, it's in great condition to be used, I can tell you that. It looks very clean on the inside. Brake lights seem to be working great, which is awesome. I do notice this driver side brake light is out, however. I can get you a quote on that, about $25. We can go ahead and replace it today. I have one in stock. If you don't mind, we can go ahead and throw that in for you while we do that inspection and do that oil change for you.
Sounds good,
Perfect.
DJ.
We'll come on around here to this passenger rear tire here. I'm gonna do the same thing, just check this here. Perfect, it looks great. I do notice some brake dust, however, so I will have them look at that while we have it back there. They'll do a full brake inspection, make sure those pads look great, and those rotors are still in great condition before you hit your big road trip. Just come on in here, I'll show you where our waiting room is. We have great coffee, cappuccino, water of all different flavors. Just come on in here and I'll show you where that is.
Awesome, thank you.